These are 7 backpacking mistakes that you're probably making right now. So the first big mistake is having ramen every single time, like too much ramen. Now, there's nothing wrong with having top ramen every once in a while. Like, it's affordable and easy to pack and lightweight, but you don't want to have ramen every single time. So a healthier camping meal option instead of top ramen would be mountain houses. Mountain houses are these camping meals where you boil the right amount of water and then you put it into the package and seal it up for as ever long as it says for you to do it, and then you get a camping meal. They have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'll put a link in the description below of some Mountain House camping meals. And make sure you stay till the end, because the last mistake you're making could completely ruin your entire experience, maybe forever. The next mistake that you might be making when backpacking or camping is bringing unnecessary items. Now, what is an example of an unnecessary item? If you go camping or you're backpacking pretty often, then you don't need winter clothes in your backpack all the time. You're gonna wanna wash them anyway, so only bring the clothes that are absolutely necessary. Any other item that is ruining your outdoor experience, then you shouldn't bring it on your camping or backpacking trip. It could be anything. It could be too many clothes. It could be clothes that aren't for the weather. It could be extra knickknacks. Man, it could even be a Bigfoot call. So if there's any items that you are bringing that are unnecessary, then stop bringing them every time you go camping or on backpacking. Bring what's necessary for the scenario that you're putting yourself in. The next mistake is kind of the opposite. It's actually not double checking everything. You double check the site. Did you double check how busy it's going to be there if it's a public campground or something? And the most important thing of this entire mistake, did you double check everything that you have? Make sure that you had your toothbrush, your fire starter, your tent, your sleeping bag, your personal gaming setup. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna cut that out. You don't want to regret the decision of going somewhere on an adventure and forgetting your handkerchief.
Forgot my handkerchief. Here. Use this.
So double check everything to make sure that you have a pleasurable camping or backpacking experience. The next mistake that you're making is mostly for disappeared camping or wilderness survival camping. Not testing gear. Oh, does this soil your water filter work? Oh yeah, I've seen other people use it, so this one definitely isn't a dud. Yeah, you definitely want to test out your gear. You want to test out if the skills work for you. Everything works different for everybody. Even if it does work, you may not like how it works. So read the reviews before buying something, and even when you do buy it, make sure to test it and make sure it works and you like how it works. Ignoring the weather reports. Yeah. Oh, it should be sunny. It looks like sunny skies ahead. It won't rain tonight. There ain't a cloud inside. You should check the nightly weather report, especially if you're hammock camping or just camping in a basic lean-to or A-frame shelter that you built with logs. Checking the weather is one of the biggest mistakes you could possibly make when camping or backpacking. It's a mistake that you do not want to make. This next one, I'm pretty sure you've done it before. It's overpacking. It's again with unnecessary items. You don't need items if they're not necessary. You need all the necessary items. Could you make it without some of them? You should only bring items that you will absolutely 100% need, and items for just in case you get hurt. Your backpack should only be about 20 to 30% of your total body weight. You should be able to carry it comfortably over hills. Now this one mistake could completely ruin your experience. It's no backup plan. if something goes wrong, like the river, the national river that you're gonna camp by is flooded over, or the campground or area that you were gonna hike and sleep at is closed, what are you gonna do? You should have a backup plan for every camping and backpacking scenario. If you don't know that any of the necessary items that you need to bring for sure, then there's a video right here where I go over 10 backpacking items that you need to have. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on the Matthew's Bushcraft YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.